Today we are going to look at the 4 reasons why chickens peck and scratch the ground. Yes, and what these activities are called in Igbo language, okay? Pecking and scratching the ground are innate behaviors in chickens, okay?
Ịtụli ire na ịvọ ana wu omume eji mara ụmụ ọkụkọ.
And these activities are associated with 4 reasons. In Igbo,
Pecking simply means ịtụli ire. Ịtụli ire.
Then scratching, ịvọ ire. Ịvọ ire. Now scratching the ground, ịvọ ana. Scratching the ground, ịvọ ana.
So we have ịtụli ire na ịvọ ana, pecking and scratching the ground.
And these are associated with 4 reasons. So let's look at the 4. The first reason is filing their nails. Filing their nails. In Igbo, we can simply say ịgba mvọ, ịgba mvọ, or ịgbacha mvọ, ịgbacha mvọ. Okay? Ịgba mvọ or ịgbacha mvọ. Yeah, filing their nails. This is also applicable to humans. So generally, filing one's nails is simply ịgba mvọ or ịgbacha mvọ. Okay? The second reason is eating rocks. Since birds don't have teeth, they need to eat tiny rocks to digest the food they consume. Yes, this is called ino okute in Igbo. Ino okute in Igbo. Ino simply means to swallow. Ino, to swallow. Then okute, rocks or stones, okay? So we have ino okute, eating rocks. Ino okute, eating rocks. Ụmụ ọkụkọ na-eno okute. Ụmụ ọkụkọ na-eno okute. Ụmụ ọkụkọ na-eno okute. Chickens swallow rocks, or chicken eats rocks. Okay? Remember, ino, to swallow. Then okute, rock or stone. Okay? Yes. Isn't it interesting? The next one is foraging for food. That's searching or gathering food. Okay? Chickens instinctively know there are plenty of food lying under the ground surface. Yes. For this reason, they peck and scratch the ground to find food. In Igbo, we call that ịkpa nni. Ịkpa nni. Ụmụ ọkụkọ a na-akpa nni. Ụmụ ọkụkọ a na-akpa nni. These chickens are searching for food or gathering food. Okay? Ịkpa nni simply means to find food or to gather food or to search for food. Okay? Ịkpa nni, searching, gathering, ịkpa. Then nni, food. Yes. The last but not the least for today is cleaning their beak. Cleaning their beak. You know, the stickier the food they eat, the more your chicken will peck and scratch the ground. So in Igbo, we call this act ifiche ọnụ. Ifiche ọnụ. Ifiche ọnụ. Ọkụkọ a na-efiche ọnụ. Ọkụkọ a na-efiche ọnụ. This chicken is cleaning the beak. This chicken is cleaning the beak. Ifiche, cleaning. Iviche, cleaning, okay? Ọnụ, the beak or the mouth, okay? But since we are talking about birds, so it's a beak and not a mouth, okay? So we have ifiche ọnụ, cleaning the beak. Ọnụ, the beak. Ifiche, to clean.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Ngwan, ka ọ dị n'oge ọzọ. Bye.